Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great day yesterday. It's Wednesday. It's Owen's birthday. So, Owen, I hope you're having a great day. Today, we'll look at our caterpillars and then we'll read another nonfiction story. So, today, here's our caterpillars in there. You can see them all crawling around. You can start to see, it almost looks like a web, but that's going to help them form their chrysalis and they'll hang at the top of the cup. And so we're still waiting for them to do that. There's still some food left on the bottom, so they're still eating that up. So we'll take a look at those again tomorrow. They're growing big and strong. So today we're going to read all about sharks. And the story is called Sharks. And it's written by Irene Trimble and illustrated by Maydak. Long before dinosaurs ruled the land, sharks hunted the sea. They had survived on Earth for 400 million years. The now extinct megalodon shark lived 15 million years ago. It was 40 feet long and its jaws were so large a man could stand inside them. Today, there are over 375 kinds or species of sharks. Marine biologists, the scientists who study ocean life, are still discovering more. Powerful hunters. Sharks have skeletons made of soft, flexible cartilage instead of hard bone. The end of your nose is made of cartilage, that kind of smushy stuff. Instead of smooth scales, sharks have very tough skin covered with tiny barbs called dermal denticles. And they use their strong jaws and many rows of very sharp teeth for biting and tearing. These characteristics, plus a huge appetite, make the shark one of the most fierce fish. It's no wonder that these predators cruise the seas and oceans without fear. They have almost no natural enemies, except other sharks and humans. Shark senses. Sharks use sight, smell, hearing, touch, and taste. Their sense of smell is excellent. They can smell blood in the water from over a mile away. Sharks also have sensors called ampullae in their snouts and sensitive hairs and channels called lateral line system along their sides. These extra senses help them find distant or unseen prey and navigate through the ocean. Shark attack. A shark begins to look for its prey when it's within about 100 feet. At this point, the shark circles the victim slowly and may even bump into it a few times to see how strong it is. Then the shark quickly picks up speed as it closes in. The attack begins as the shark clamps down on the victim with powerful jaws and shakes its head from side to side. Blue sharks. Many shark species travel great distances like migrating birds. Blue sharks may be the farthest ranging swimming up to 4,000 miles in about a year. Like most sharks, baby blue sharks are born ready to swim. Young sharks are called pups. Female blue sharks can give birth to more than 50 pups at a time. A few species of shark lay eggs like other fish. Hammerhead sharks. These sharks swim in gigantic packs of 150 or more. They have wide, flat heads that help them slice through the water. The hammer-shaped heads of these sharks can be up to 3 feet wide, with eyes set on each end. Imagine having eyes that far apart. As they swim, hammerheads swing their heads from side to side. This motion may help them see more of their surroundings. Tiger sharks. Tiger sharks feed on almost every other fish and mammal in the sea. In fact, they will take a bite out of anything. License plates, rolls of tar paper, tin cans, and other not so very digestible items have been found in their stomachs. Tiger sharks have stripes like a tiger. However, their stripes get lighter as they get older. Thresher sharks. Thresher sharks have the longest tails of any shark. Their tails make up half the length of their body. These sharks move very quickly. They use their long tails to slap schools of small fish. Then they eat the fish that cannot swim away. Thresher sharks are not dangerous to people unless they get slapped by their tail. Whale sharks. These white-spotted giants are the largest sharks in the world. They grow longer than school buses. Whale sharks feed at the surface of the water and swim so slowly that boats sometimes bump into them. They are so gentle that divers can catch rides on their backs. They live on tiny plants and animals called plankton that drift through the sea. Whale sharks have over 4,000 teeth, but each tooth is less than 1/8 inch long, so very, very small. A bull shark. These dangerous sharks are very aggressive. They live in every ocean and have been known to swim hundreds of miles into freshwater rivers and lakes. Bull sharks have been found in the Amazon River in South America, the Ganges River in India, and the Mississippi River in the United States. Great white sharks. The great white is one of the largest predators in the sea. Its thick torpedo-shaped body can weigh 2 to 5 tons. These sharks hunt alone, cruising at about 2 miles per hour. But great whites are very hard for ocean scientists to track. Very little is actually known about these mysterious beasts. So many sharks. Over millions of years, sharks have learned to live in many different underwater environments. Today, these silent and mysterious predators come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they thrive in almost every sea and ocean on Earth. I hope you liked that story about kind of scary sharks. Tomorrow we'll read another informational text about another animal. See you tomorrow.